coffee can increase your cholesterol level or decrease it. It all depends on how you brew it. How does it work? Remember to like and share my video. So, if coffee is not consumed at setting the safe level, which is 400 mg per day, it can help us to reduce weight gain, lower blood pressure, and decrease the risk of diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. However, if your coffee contains ditropins, it can raise your cholesterol levels. Why is that? Today I'm going to share with you. Because, firstly, ditropins inhibit the secretion of bile in the liver, and bile is made from cholesterol. If bile production is inhibited, cholesterol will accumulate excessively in our body. Secondly, ditropins also block cholesterol metabolism. Our bodies need to metabolize cholesterol to allow it to perform its functions. Cholesterol needs to be metabolized to be cleared from the body. Otherwise, cholesterol levels in the body will rise. So, the ditropins in coffee, which are basically the oil in coffee, need to be filtered out. They shouldn't be consumed. So, which brewing methods result in higher ditropins content in coffee? Methods like French press coffee or Turkish style coffee, where coffee beans or grounds are boiled with water without using a filter. These brewing methods can result in 30 times more ditropins than filtered coffee. Which are the better brewing methods that will have little ditropins content in coffee? Today I'm going to share with you. Firstly, drip coffee brewing. For example, have you seen some coffees use paper filters? Yes, this reduces ditropins because the ditropins will stick to the paper. This is a better method as it significantly lowers ditropin content. Secondly, instant coffee. In the production of instant coffee, the beans are usually filtered. The coffee beans will first be roasted at the right temperature and duration, then be grounded, then brewed with hot water, filtered to remove coffee grounds and other insoluble matter, leaving a pure coffee liquid. Afterwards, manufacturers can use spray drying or freeze drying methods to process this coffee liquid. Most instant coffee in the market is made using spray drying method, which involves spraying the brewed coffee into fine powder form. This method is fast, producing smaller instant coffee particles, and is also more cost effective. Freeze drying involves freezing the coffee into a solid form and then sublimating the water out in a vacuum, leaving behind larger coffee granules. This method is more costly. Goji Garden Coffee uses freeze drying method to produce. Why is it so? Why do we use freeze drying method? Because this method maximizes the preservation of antioxidants in the coffee. In today's busy society, coffee has become one of the most important sources of antioxidants for many people. Coffee contains antioxidants like chlorogenic acid, ferulic acid, caffeic acid, and encomeric acid. Roasted coffee also contains melanoidins, which are potent antioxidants. Freeze-dried coffee can contain higher levels of antioxidants than other types of coffee. So, do you want a coffee with higher antioxidants? Of course! You can stay healthy and age slower with it since it could be your everyday drink, right? Of course, freeze-dried coffee also gives manufacturers enough time to standardize and check if the levels of ditropins and acrylamide exceeds the limits, ensuring that each batch of coffee meets EU standard. If you want to know more about acrylamide, you can refer to my previous video. So, actually a cup of instant coffee with standardized brewing conditions and requirements is better than freshly brewed coffee. Because for freshly brewed coffee on the spot, we might not know if the acrylamide level and the ditropins level are too high. So, choosing coffee, opt for healthy coffee. And do choose Goji Garden Coffee, alright? You can enjoy the coffee aroma at the same time without increasing the risk of cardiovascular disease and at the same time prevent cancer and age slower. Coffee is not just about its aroma, safety comes first. So if you have friends that love coffee, do share my video to them. And if you want to know more, do DM me to find out. I'll see you. Bye.